Okay, hello once again guys, this is Kane and I'm just here to give a quick review and overview of Cooliris. And right now I'm in the program Cooliris and I'm in discovery mode, and right now I'm looking at the Super Bowl. And as you can see all these images. Some of them are videos, as you can see this icon here. Now one of the nice things about this program is, for example, let's say let me scroll down the wall now. As you can see, it does everything in 3D. So you see all the images and everything. Alright, and you can even click on the image. So for example, this should be an image. And it clears it up a little bit, and now you can see the image. You can scroll in a little bit. You can scroll out. Alright, let's go back in. And you also get a description at the bottom here. Now, to me, what Cooliris is meant to be used for is for when Windows 7 comes out. I mean, it's for you can use it for Windows Vista. It's not a problem. Like right now, I'm using it for Windows Vista with Firefox, since it's an add-on, and it's a nice program. So, but I mean, it definitely feels a lot better if you have the touch, because, like, for example, you put your finger on the screen and you bring it to the left and it scrolls you all the way right. And then also, one of the things that this will take advantage of once Windows 7 comes out is the pinch feature with the multi-touch. So that's how you could do the zoom in and zoom out. Alright, so now you say, okay, this is a nice program. I'm seeing things for the Super Bowl, but how about, if I want to look at other stuff? Well, of course, this program features a little option menu here. So you could go through all these options if you want. And for example, if you want to get something for your girlfriend, for your wife, for Valentine's, you just click here, and then they show you a whole bunch of different selections you could pick from. So for example, I want to get this for her, and it gives you a description. It shows you how much it costs. You could click on jump to page. What it'll do is, on your web browser, it will open up tab and then bring you to the company or the person who's selling it. Alright, so it's a nice feature if you want to look at them as images and then go and jump to the page where they have all the information, description, and then you could purchase it if you want. So now let's return to Cooliris, and it brings you straight back to the page. Now let's say if you want to buy a book. So let's go to Amazon and we'll load up everything from Amazon. I hope. Let's go back. I don't think it's doing this the way I want it. So let's go into books. So now it's loading up the books. Just give it a sec. So for example, if I want to buy the book Twilight, you could click on it, and then the book cover image will be enlarged, and it will give you all the description, and then you could click on more info and it will bring you to the web page where they're selling it. You can also double click on it, and then it'll bring you to like this album mode, and then you could just click here. It will load up the next book or image, because this works for both books, images, and anything else they have, and everything is just about the same. So now you say, okay, well, now, okay, you could buy things and everything. As you can see, if you don't move for a while, it goes into a whole full screen and everything disappears. So now you say, okay, I can use Amazon, but what about if I'm looking for something specific? So as you can see here, you have different searches you could do, all the way from Amazon down to Google, Hulu, Yahoo, just to name for a few. So let's go to Hulu, and I want to watch a Family Guy episode. Type in Family Guy, start searching, and then everything from Family Guy comes up. Alright, there's even more, and once again you can scroll down. There should be way more. Yep, it's loading them. Alright, so let's say, for example, I want to watch this one, Baby Not On Board, as you can see in the description at the bottom. So now it loads up.
The program is brought to you with limited commercial interruption by the National Crime Prevention Council.
So like I said, it's a nice program. And as you can see, this is one of the episodes from Family Guy. So now we come back out. Now you say, okay, this is all nice, but what about if I want to actually not record these, but keep these bookmarked. So let's say, hold on one second. So what you can do is you could click on favorites here. Now what it'll do is it'll ask you to log in. Alright, so then you're gonna log in. Let's do already sign up, because I already signed up. So test dot I'm doing this wrong. I ain't log in. Now it's going to log me in, and what we'll do is remember everything that I added to my favorites. So giving it a minute. There we go. Now that's done. So as you can see, now I added this Family Guy episode to my favorites, which is nice. And you can also do it for images. So let's go back here, and let's say I like this image. Add that to my favorites. Now it's on my favorites. Now it comes up. Now let's say if I want to remove it, you just click here. Now it becomes this shadow image. So now let's say we reload it. So let's go there, go back. Now it's gone. So now, okay, nice. Could do this, but what about if the images I want is not technically like in discovery or shopping? So let's say, for example, I want an image of somebody I know from Facebook. So I'm going to show you that right now. So let me minimize Cooliris, open up a new tab, and let's go to my friend's album. So you got a lot of nice images, and let me see. This is the image I like. So I click here, just click on the image. This is Facebook. You should know how to. And since you install Cooliris, you see this icon over here. And what you do is you press that icon, and now it comes up. What you want to do is you want to put this into your favorites. So you click here on favorites, and now it will store in your favorites. So now if I go here, there's her image. So it's kind of nice, if you're into Facebook. I believe MySpace also supports this program, and if there's images that you want to keep like an album, is nice to put them in favorites and put all of them into this program. So this is my quick overview and how to do some of the things in Cooliris. I'm rating, what I'm doing for the blog and everything is I'm rating everything from 5 as being the highest and 1 as being the lowest. So for this program, since in its own sense it has a futuristic style, since it's meant to be used with a computer that does touch, and I feel it's actually meant for Windows 7 when it comes out. And also the interaction with it is nicely done. So I would give this program a 4.5. I believe, I haven't even looked at this program from what other people said, like you have Tech Review and all those websites. I got a feeling they will probably rate this program 4.0, but me personally 4.5. So I hope you like this overview, and I hope to be seeing you on my blog. And if you're watching this from YouTube, please subscribe. Alright, so take care and goodbye.